Yo, what's happening, guys? Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another video. It's going to be a short one today. It's going to be a short video because I do think that um, there's not much to say. We've kind of gone over it multiple times, and the stance is still the same, right? It's still bearish. We're still getting rejected. So I just want to speak about the key levels. And then I want to speak about maybe some setups that I'm looking at for the day. We obviously, if you guys are in my Telegram channels, or in some channels from the KOLs that I provide market analysis and signals to, you would have been in the shorts today for ICP. Actually, you know, I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning, and I was like, yeah, let me just have a look at the charts. And I was looking at this last night, right? I was looking at ICP last night because it was trading like over here, and I was like, okay, well, this is a strong level for ICP, right? I know this is strong because of the rejection zone. And then I was like, okay, maybe in the morning I wake up and we can maybe get some sells. And then this morning we had a break of this trend over here, and it was just really clean. So we have broken this key level here for ICP. Bang. We are most probably going to come back down to retest these lows today. So it's looking good. I did take 50% of profits over here, and stop loss is now at break even for this trade. Beautiful trade to start off the day, 6 a.m. trade, which is great. Let's jump back into Bitcoin. This is the main chart for the day, guys. Let me just plug in my. So I'm looking a little bit dark. Let's plug this in here. Bang. I think that's better. Boom. There we go. Look much better. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin. I mean, guys, like it's so obvious that you. Oh my God, look at this, guys. We're getting across. Is that today? Oh my God. Okay, yeah, guys, we're getting across of the 200-day and the 21-day moving average. Yeah. Let's put in the 50 moving average. You know me, like I'm not really a moving average guy, but you can use it just to see direction. It's nothing can hurt. Let's have a look and see what the 50 is doing. We'll change this to, let's put a little red there. Bang. Okay, so the 50-day is a little bit higher, but still rejecting, right? But we're getting a 200-day and a 21-day moving average cross, right? The last time we get these crosses, let's have a look. Oof. So we got a cross over here, right, to the upside. And look how much we pumped after that, right? We got a cross to the downside. We had quite a big dump after that cross. Let's actually measure that around about a 7% dump. Yeah, the 200-day only starts here, but if you look at the upside cross, it's quite intense, right? It's quite vigorous. So yeah, I mean, right now, guys, we're getting a 200-day and a 21-day moving average cross, and it's not looking good. But we are still respecting this volume profile. Remember, guys, you want to be. This is a really good tool to use. Use a fixed range volume profile. We go from the start of the range, bang, to over here. Technically, we are closing below it, but let me just redraw this. Yeah, but I mean, today, guys, we're going to be trading quite a lot today. So make sure you guys always keep your notifications on for the group. Seems like I've drawn this incorrectly. I think we need to draw from here. Yeah, there we go. From this dump to here. Okay, so we can see, guys, it's quite evident that like these are your key levels. It's so nice to use. Like it's so accurate as well. Like your point of control sitting over here. Bang, point of control. Most volume traded at this level. Once we start breaking above here, cool, we can look for longs. But guys, we are still trading at the volume, the value area low, which is it's not a good sign, right? I mean, of course we can bounce, like cool, we can bounce from this point, fine, but just not interested. Like it's just yesterday we were trying to get a push up to this level here, but look how terrible this is, guys. We don't even get above the 21-day moving average. We've still getting rejected. So personally, guys, I'll be taking sells today, pretty much the whole day. I did flip a little bit bullish last time. I thought that was going to be a little bit of a break, but my thesis is always kind of just bearish until we take these lows at 48K. So yeah, it's going to be quite interesting to see what happens there. I will be taking some sells for Bitcoin if we can break below this level. We'll see what happens. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Not looking great. Where was there was AVAX? What was I looking at yesterday? It was AVAX was one of them. No, AVAX wasn't. It was still stuck in that range. That was down here. Let's have a look at Notcoin. Yeah, Notcoin. This was the spot holding. It's getting absolutely rinsed. I'm not really interested. I did buy some spot over here. I'm not really too phased about that. Phantom getting absolutely smoked. We had a nice break to the upside. Continuous just downward movement, guys. The 4-hour candle did close below the point of control. Yeah, guys, we're gonna get some sells there. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. Uniswap, everything is kind of looking good. Everything kind of looking good. Chainlink, we tried to take some longs yesterday. Just no follow through, guys. No follow through in the longs. Ton's getting absolutely smoked. Like Ton's getting absolutely wrecked. This is my buy zone at 4.3. Possible. Solana, bang. Yeah, I think we're gonna get some sells today, guys. I think we're gonna get some sells today. Everything's kind of looking a little bit bearish. Under. Under. Let's have a look at under. So under's it's just one of those ones. I was looking for sells on the break of this low here, but now if you look at under, let's just remove all this messiness. It's a bit choppy. You can see that under clearly wants to break out. Clearly wants to break out. Just not really doing much, right? Still low lows, lower highs. Yeah, I mean, I'll be looking. I mean, if we can break this level today for under, we can look maybe for a long back up to this high, and then New York session we can take some sells a little bit later. That could be the play. So yeah, I will be looking at that, or we just take some sells on the break. So we'll see what happens. But overall, guys, mainly just looking a little bearish right now. Ethereum getting absolutely smacked as well. I mean, Ethereum is just looking terrible. Have a look at Ether. We broke this trend line. Bangarang. We broke this trend line this morning. When was this? Yeah, this morning, 7 a.m. That's when we took that sell for ICP. No, wait, when was this? Sorry, that was Thursday 7. What's the time now? Yo, my brain is not working. All right, so yeah, I mean, so Ethereum is looking terrible, to be fair. It's currently just going to consolidate for a bit, and then we're probably going to get some more sells. What I'll be looking at for Ethereum is sells if we can come back up. I do think we're going to get a small retracement here. We can get some lows to push down. But yeah, guys, I think we're going to get some good positions today. We can maybe hold for until tomorrow. So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see what happens for the market. Like, of course, we just have to. Whoa, big time! What happened here? Oh my God! 5 minutes. What? Oh my God! It pumped 31% in 5 minutes, guys. That's absolutely insane. Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, who can predict this? Oh my God! Big time mooning. I don't really have much to say about that. It's just one of those things, and that's exactly why you put stop losses. Because if you're shorting a coin like that, you're gonna get absolutely smoked. Which is why we mainly focus on like the higher cap coins, because it's like honestly, you don't want to be in a short like that. Pepe, Ripe. I was looking at sells yesterday for Pepe. Didn't really follow through. I didn't post a signal because I didn't take the trade. But overall, like Pepe is looking absolutely beautiful for some sells there. I will be posting all my setups today, guys. Make sure you guys join the groups. The links will be in the description to the group. And yeah, make sure you guys, if you are new to CoinDove, you sign up with my link. You can get a good bonus if you sign up. And peace out. Thanks so much for watching. I will go live. I'm going live in the next 2 hours. It's going to be a cool one. I reckon we'll get some trades. Just looking at the structure today, looks quite nice to trade. So we'll see you there. Peace out. Thanks. Bye-bye.